In this video, we're going to look at all the ways you can add videos to your Squarespace website. So I've come into my site, I've added a new page in a blank section, and I'm just going to hover over until I see this blue line and the plus icon to add a new content block. Click here, add the video block, and here I can paste in a URL. Now, as you can see, only YouTube videos and Vimeo links work. So if I grab my YouTube video here, I'm just going to grab the URL. I'm going to paste it in. And then once it's located, you'll see that I can add a custom thumbnail, or I could turn it off, and I can also add a caption. So that's if you want to use YouTube or Vimeo links. But let's say that your video is hosted on a third-party site. What you can do is hover over, click the plus icon, and either select the code block or the embed block. So I'm going to use embed. I'm going to click this little section here to embed data, and I'm just going to add the code. So let's say we want to add an Instagram post. Let me find a video Instagram post. Here we have one here. And then I'm just going to click on these three dots in the top right hand corner, select embed, copy the embed code, come back to my page, and paste this in. And you'll see it now shows my Instagram post. The script is disabled, but if I hit save, you'll be able to view it. So let's do that again for a Facebook post. Click the blue plus icon, select embed. In fact, this time let's do code, just to show you how you can use that too. I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to come into my Facebook page, find a video, click the three dots, select embed, copy the code, and I could choose if I want to include the full post or start it at a certain time. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to hit paste, and as you can see, it is now embedded my video. So you can do this for any third-party application that allows you to embed a video. You can use the code block or the embed feature to do that. If it's a YouTube video or a Vimeo link, you can just paste it directly into the video block itself. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comments section. I try to read and respond to every single one of them. And if you want even more tips on how you can publish, teach, and sell online with Squarespace, hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified the next time I post a video. Much love from my heart to yours. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world.